Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from our end. Now, without wasting any further time, let us continue the discussion of DXY, and today we will be learning that how we can do the execute the trades properly. Okay. So, for example, the very first pair that we are going to study will be USD JPY. Okay. So let us open the pair of uh, Capitalcom. Okay. So over here you can see in this 1 hour chart that market is constantly going downwards. Okay, so let me just mark that for you guys. Okay, like something like this. Okay, market is constantly going down. Okay, so you guys can easily identify that market is following the downward trend. Now, how you guys can trade this pair, the more important part. Okay, so the important part. Okay, so now let us follow the very first indicator that I sometimes used for taking the entries. Okay, let me open the indicators tab, and from there let me open the Bollinger. Okay, Bollinger band. Simple. Okay, Bollinger band. Okay, so what is going to happen is that a Bollinger Band will appear. What is a Bollinger Band? That will be a major question. A Bollinger Band is basically an indicator which indicates the candles highs and lows for the previous 20 candles. In this case, this is a standard Bollinger Band which has a 20 candles setting. Okay, so basically it has three moving averages with the highs, lows, and the moving average of 20 candles. Okay, so how we trade? We trade the reverse of the market. Like for example, when market is at the extreme top, we are going to take a sell position from here, for example, and from here. And when market goes below our Bollinger Band lower level, we take an buy position like this. We take the opposite positions. Okay, so and like this, for example, over here as well. So we trade on reversals. Okay, so this is a very good strategy, given that you guys can understand the market conditions and how the candles are behaving. Okay, so what's even more important than this is that you guys should know the that how the market is behaving and how the candles are reacting. Okay, for example, let me give you an example of this entry. Okay, market has touched the lower Bollinger Band, and then market has given us a good buying signal of this good candle, green candle. This has engulfed the previous candle, so this will be a bullish engulfing candle, so we can easily take a buying position over here. Okay, so if we take this buying position, we enter our stop loss just below this previous candle, and our take profit could be potentially at a 3.3% level. Okay, or if we follow another strategy, that it would be that when market touches the uppermost brand and makes a good red candle, okay, over here, so even in this case market gives us a 1.6% profit. Okay, and after that let me just see over here that if you guys can see us. Yes, I hope that you guys can see us. And let me go to the YouTube chart as well. Okay, let me go to the studio tab. uh, okay, so over here let us check out the studio tab, and let me go to the content area. Okay, so far no questions. That's good. Choose. Let me open. Okay, so this will be the first possible entry. Okay, then afterwards, let me take the next possible position. It will be over here. Okay, so if we take this sell position over here, you guys can clearly see that market did not go down further, and we would have hit a stop loss. And then afterwards, you guys can see that once again market has touched the this upper band and closed with a red candle. Okay, market is trying to push down. Okay, so if you guys would have continued on the pressing level and taken this entry, you guys could have made some good profit of at least 1.1%. Okay, then afterwards market did not just nicked the upper band over here. You guys could also take a selling position from here till here, and you guys would have gotten a good profit. And afterwards you guys can see another good position over here. Okay, so from here you guys could have taken this entry, and you guys could have made some good profit of at least I think 2.3%. Okay, so good profits, and then from here market gave us a good selling position. Okay, and you guys could have taken a good selling entry as well. Okay, what you guys have to figure out is that this strategy works best in the ranging market. Okay, what is a ranging market? For example, this was a previous high, and this was a low point. Okay, market has remained within this area for quite some long time. Okay, you guys can see that for yourself. Okay, so when market is trading in between these areas and these buffers, then you guys can then this Bollinger indicator works crazy well. Okay, but in the trending market, for example, market is constantly going down or market is constantly going up, over there market will not follow these same rules. Okay, for example, over here market is constantly going down, so market is not ranging. Okay, so in the trending market of either buying or selling, this Bollinger is not a handy tool, so you have to avoid using this tool during this trending market of either selling or buying. Okay, so let us take that example as well. For example, if we consider this zone as constantly buying. Okay, so for example market started to go there and market started to go up, so from here we could potentially take a sell position, but market will not give us good profit. Okay, and similarly over here market constantly went up, and over here market gave us a good entry, so we could have taken a good selling position from here, but we would have had a immediate or a stop loss with a very small profit. Okay, only 0.6%. And then similarly when market started to go down, you guys can see that if we will be taking buying positions from here, we will not really be making good profits. For example, over here market will be giving us very small profit, so let me take this position for example like this, and over here market will be giving us only a take profit of 0.5%. Okay, and then afterwards the market still went down, and over here you guys can see that when market re-entered this lower band and gave us a good buying signal over here, if we would taken this entry, then we would have hit an immediate stop loss because market did not go up at all. Okay, so this indicator is otherwise very good indicator, but in the ranging market. So you have to identify that either market is ranging or not. Okay, so let us see that previously where the market was ranging. Okay, so over here market was ranging previously as well. So here this indicator would have worked in a good. So this was the highest point. When market continued to go down, market formed this low point, And from here the next best highest point available was this one. Okay, so market remained in this zone for quite some time, and if we would have taken trades from here and from here, we would have made some good profits. Okay, so let me take this trade. Okay, so market went down, market went up, so we take this entry. Sorry, we can take this position, and afterwards this buying position. Okay, so if we take this selling position, our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be 0.7%. Then market continued to go down and just below our area of lower Bollinger Band, and from here market gave us a good buying opportunity over here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our potential take profit will be over here, giving us a 2.0% profit, which is good. Okay, and then afterwards you guys can see their market once again continue to go down and give us a buying opportunity over here, but we would have preferred to stay out of the market because this was a very huge candle, and we do not trade on the abnormal candles. Okay, then market gave us a normal entry over here when market retested our lower Bollinger Band, so we could have taken a position of buying from here. Our stop loss would be just below this previous candle, and our potential take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 2.0% profit, which is good. Then market stayed a little bit more sideways. Then market gave us a selling opportunity over here. So let me take this opportunity to sell. So I sell over here. My stop loss will be just above this previous. Market retested the area of upper Bollinger Band. Okay, and if I take this entry, my stop loss would be again hit because of the 0.3% area is only being hit. Then market continued to go up and tested our upper area of resistance level and our Bollinger as well. Okay, so you guys can see that the level came into play, and from here we were confident, and as soon as market came back in our area of Bollinger, we could have taken this selling position. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit could be potentially over here, giving us a 5.2% profit. Hence this trade would have covered up for the previous two losses as well. Okay, then we would have just sit quietly outside the market for quite some time until and unless market tested our area of lower Bollinger. From here we could take a buying position like this. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our potential take profit will be over here, giving us a 1.0% profit. And similarly another position was available over here. This trade would have also given us some good profit like this. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit could be over here, giving us a 2.1% profit, which is not bad. Then over here another opportunity was available, and similarly over here. Okay, so let me take these two opportunities of buying. Okay, I am taking all these trades because market is still trending in between our marked zone of uh, marked zone. Okay, so this trade would have only given us a break even point, but the next opportunity, this one has some good result over here. Our stop loss and our take profit level will be maximum over here, giving us a 1.8% profit, which is very good. Okay, so afterwards market gave us further opportunities of buying from here and from here as well. So these two opportunities would have also given us very good results. Over here our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be over here, giving us a 2.1% profit. Okay, so this is how you guys trade the Bollinger Band. It is very simple and interesting at the same time. So just be vigilant. Okay, now over here you guys can see that market has broken below our area of lower Bollinger. So we would have preferred to stay out of the market for quite some time until and unless our area of lower Bollinger. So as soon as market broke past our this level and market made a new low over here, we will move our zone down and identify the new zone. Okay, so this will become the new zone over here because this was the previous high over here. Okay, and then market started to range in between this area, so we could have taken some positions according to this area. Okay, and then afterwards market broke past this area, then we would have waited for quite some time before marking the new areas. Okay, so now let us take some frames so you guys can better understand take these entries. Okay, for that let us go to the 5 minutes chart of USD JPY, and let us see that if market opportunities of buying or selling. So and we have to manage our risk at the same time as well. We never risk more than 1% of our total equity, and that's our goal as well. Okay, so 1% equity is more than enough to risk in a single trade, and we should never risk more than that. Okay, so let us wait for a little while, and I hope that this chart loads up for on the 5 minute time frame as well, and it has loaded. Okay, so what is happening right now? Okay, let us find out. Okay, so market, let us mark the areas of lows and highs, so we can easily take trades. Okay, so this was the highest level. Market continued to go down, and then market created this high, then market continued and go down. So currently this is the lowest level. Okay, so let us mark this lowest level as our area of tentative support, and our where the market has gone at the highest level right now, this is the highest level that market has gone till now. Okay, so let us mark this area as our tentative area of upper resistance or the Bollinger sideways movement level. Okay, so now as we have marked this area in the 5 minutes chart, now you guys can see that Bollinger gave us a good move over here, and then Bollinger has just touched our area of the upper Bollinger has just acted. So let us take this entry over here. If, for example, and we could have so far touched the area of 0.4% level, okay, which is not really huge, but good enough. Okay, so now let us go to the even smaller time frame, which is the 1 minute chart. So here there is a good chance that market will be giving us some good opportunities because we have marked the uh, the levels, the support and resistance levels of ranging market. From here we can take even better trades. Okay, so I am seeing another smaller level of trading market. So let me mark it as well. So the I am seeing this level. This is coming into play in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so as soon as the market touches this area, we can take a buying entry, and we will see from there that if we get any positive entry or not. So for example, if we would have taken this entry over here, our stop loss would have been just below this previous candle, and our take profit would have so far gone at least at this level of 1.2%. And we always move our stop loss upwards, and we try our best to continue the profit as much as possible until and unless market gives us another way out. Okay, so as you guys can see that now market has pushed a little bit up and 1.5% has been hit so far. Okay, so simple trades are being executed. For example, another trade would have been executed over here and over here as well. Okay, these two entries, and then similarly this and this entry would have given us good selling positions. Okay, and you guys can see for example, let me take this entry. Okay, my stop loss would have been just above this previous candle, and my take profit would be a very significant 11.7%, which is huge. Okay, given the condition. Okay, and given that I'm only trading in the 1 minute chart, I am getting much more opportunities. Okay, so I would prefer to take confirmed positions rather than just taking blind entries. How I am taking the confirmed positions, you guys can now clearly see that market is still going up, and we have so far hit a target of 2.2%, which is once again huge. Okay, now we can take an exit from here, as the market has touched the upper side of the Bollinger, so that is a sign that now market might try to reverse in the 1 minute chart. Okay, so once market tries to reverse, we follow the reversal method, and then we will be looking for some good selling opportunity. Okay, and but as you guys can see that market is now pushing upwards, so if we continue to move our trailing stop loss up, then that would be a good sign. For example, this is a good area of support, so what we can do is that we can move our stop loss up at this level approximately. Oh, I'm sorry. So that is just for you guys, that you guys have to trail this trade. Okay, and this trade has now so far given us a 3.1% profit. Okay, you guys can see that this is a live trading, and a winning trade has been executed just right in front of you guys. So all you guys have to do is just simply follow these Bollinger levels in the method that I have taught you in this video, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits. This is a very simple method of entry and exit. All you guys have to do is just identify the major and key levels, and from there you guys have to trade the Bollinger. And I have only identified one indicator, because if we integrate too many indicators as a beginner, that creates a lot of confusion for newbies especially. And even if you are a experienced trader, too many indicators create confusion, a lot of confusion. We can integrate volume, we can integrate RSI, we can integrate many other indicators in this chart. But the key to successful and happy trading that I have identified is that the simple you keep things, the better the results appear to be. Okay, so now you guys can see that market has tested this level, which is 3.49%. Okay, this is very good. Okay, so I hope that you guys are learning from our session, and I hope that you guys will want to know more as well. Okay, so let me as you guys can see that market is giving us a good result in this USD JPY, but maybe you guys will be wondering that does this Bollinger work in the other charts or not. Okay, so in order to do that, let us open the gold chart in this same 5 minute time frame, and from there we can study that how much profit or loss we can make live in front of you guys. Okay, so let us open the gold chart. Gold. Okay, so let us open this chart. Okay, so what is happening in this chart is that market is going down and Bollinger is opening, so market is now trending. Okay, market is not ranging. Okay, so as you guys can see that market was ranging till this level, as this was a very good level, but now market has broken this 5 minute level. Okay, so now in the 15 minutes time frame, let us identify if we can identify the closest available level. Okay, so this is the area where market is currently trending, and this is the area, but this is a key level, I think. Yes, and from here the uh, area of resistance will be, this is the lower low that has been broken, and the previous high was this area. Okay, so let us go to the 5 minute chart. Yes, quite simply, let's see that if market gives us good opportunities or not. Let us go to the 1 minute chart, and we will take trades accordingly. Okay, so let's see that if market starts to range in between our marked area of this support and this resistance. If market ranges in between this area, we can take some good entries. For example, this would have been a good entry over here, and over here as well. Okay, so you guys can see that it works in both areas. Okay, so let me see if I can mark another area of resistance. Yes, this is a good area of resistance. Okay, market has respected this area several times, okay, in the recent candles. Okay, so mm, this is lower range. Okay, this is the major range and this is the lower range, which you guys can say that if market gives us good opportunities of buying and selling, we will trade from here. Okay, so this would be a good entry time, and potential take profit would be 4.6%, which is huge. And if we would have taken an entry over here, my stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be over here, giving me a 4.3% profit, which is again very good. Okay, so let me close this, and in this gold pair. Okay, so market has not touched my marked area of Bollinger. So let us wait and watch that what and how the market behaves. Okay, so as you guys can see that in gold, we have not really gotten the opportunity to trade up till now, but as soon as market gives us a good opportunity, then we will trade in this gold as well. Meanwhile, let us go to another chart of euro. Okay, let us open euro USD of capital.com. Okay, great. So let us go to the 5 minutes time frame and mark our area. Yes, I think this is already ranging. Okay, so this is the recent low and the recent high is, I think, this area. This will be our recent high, and this is the recent low. Okay, so yes. Okay, so and now let us go to the 1 minute time frame to identify further small levels if they are available. Oh, 1 minute. I opened 1 month by mistake. Okay, so quite simply, what has happened over here? Okay, now let us wait in this Euro USD pair as well. Okay, so you guys can see that market is trending in between our marked area of major support and resistance, and in this ranging in these two ranges, we have further small ranges available from here till here. Okay, so we can also apply that, but I don't think that it's needed because market is giving us good returns anyway. Okay, so for example, if we would have taken this entry, my stop loss will be just below this candle, and my potential take profit will be over here 6.2%, and if I would have continued, 8.3% return would have been executed just by simply following this very simple indicator of Bollinger. And even if I am a confused person and I don't really want to continue, I would have gone till here until this a small red candle. This red candle had appeared and closed, so I would have taken an exit over here. Even this trade would have, even this strategy would have given me a result of 3.7%, which is again great. Okay, otherwise I would have just simply moved my stop loss at least this level, and I would have not hit that, and then market would have touched this level and then this level, which would have given me a very good result of at least doubling my profit from 3.7 to 8%. Okay, so that is very good ideally. So let us see that what is happening in USD JPY. Let us find out. Okay, so while we wait for the chart to be loaded. Okay, so what amazing, amazing. Okay, so once we have now we would have exit our entry over here. As soon as we hit a red candle over here, we would have taken an exit in this USD JPY, and then from this red candle we could have taken a sell position from here, but we would have hit a stop loss. But again, market gave us this very good selling candle over here. We will be taking this position like this. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our oh, where did that go? Over here, the internet is acting up a little bit. So this will be a position. Okay, so we could take a selling position over here. My stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and my take profit will be over here. So this trade would have given me a take profit of 2.2% so far, which is great. Okay, so USD JPY is giving us very good results so far. And now let us go to the goldcapital.com and let us see that what is happening in this gold pair in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so nothing really is happening right now. Market is only behaving sideways. So till we are waiting, let us go to the Euro USD, which is banned. So we have to wait for a good red candle. We'll be taking a sell position, okay, like 1.1%. So maybe we will be looking at something like that, okay. So let us wait it out. While we are waiting, we can check other pairs as well. For example, pairs as well. For example, USD JPY. Now, what you guys have to do is you guys have to stay vigilant over here, market area, but I don't think that market will break this area because market has reacted from this area several times, and I think that once again market will react from this area. Okay, so let us see that what will happen in this next candle, and if I am correct, then we can take a good selling position once we see a good red candle from here. And I hope that we can book a 1% or a 2% profit from this entry. Okay, over here, we would have booked a good profit. Okay, so market is giving us good returns overall.